Have you ever felt the frustration of a slow computer, each click and each command dragging its feet like it's stuck in quicksand? Well, there's hope. You don't need to shell out cash for a new one or hire a tech wizard. With a few simple steps, you can breathe new life into your old machine and get it running smoothly again. First, let's tackle startup programs. When your computer boots up, it might be loading numerous unnecessary programs, each vying for a slice of your computer's power. Open your Task Manager and navigate to the Startup tab. Here, disable any programs you don't need immediately when you turn on your computer. This will cut down the boot time drastically. Next, it's time to clean up your disk space. A cluttered hard drive can slow down your system. Start with Disk Cleanup. This built-in tool helps you delete temporary files, system caches, and other non-essential items. Also, go through your files and uninstall any programs you no longer use. Not only will this free up space, but it will also reduce the workload on your computer's processor. Another major speed thief is background applications. These are programs that run in the background, consuming valuable resources without you even knowing. Head back to your Task Manager and look under Processes. Identify and end tasks that aren't necessary for your current work. Now, let's move to visual effects. While flashy animations and transparent windows look great, they can slow down performance. Right-click on This PC or My Computer, go to Properties, then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, select Settings and choose Adjust for Best Performance. This will turn off unnecessary visual effects, giving your system a noticeable speed boost. Updating your software is another crucial step. Outdated software can lead to slowdowns and security vulnerabilities. Ensure your operating system and all your applications are up to date. Most updates include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help your computer run more smoothly. Lastly, consider your antivirus software. While essential for security, some antivirus programs can be resource-heavy. Ensure yours isn't running unnecessary scans or consuming too much processing power. If needed, switch to a lighter, equally effective antivirus solution. These simple steps can transform your sluggish computer into a more efficient machine, giving you the power to accomplish more without the constant wait. Remember, the goal is to optimize what you have. With a little effort and a bit of know-how, you can keep your computer running like new without spending a dime. So, take charge, apply these tips, and enjoy a faster, more responsive computing experience. Your future self will thank you.